On August 3rd to 4th, 2025, many areas in mainland China experienced heavy to very heavy rain, causing the localities such as Guangdong, Gansu, Ningxia, and northern regions to experience emergency situations due to flooding and landslides. Like in Guangdong, South China, extremely heavy rainfall, up to 258.7 millimeters in Nanfing Township, Zhaoqing City, caused road collapses, forced the evacuation of more than 300 people, and led to the issuance of the highest level red alert for rainstorms in Fengkai and Huaiji counties. In Gansu, northwest China, regions such as Lanzhou, Ningxia, Dingxi, and Gannan raised their emergency response to level 2, and Ningxia issued a level 3 warning after heavy rain continued on the evening of August 3rd and the morning of August 4th.
In danger.
More than 16 rivers in Guangdong are at or above warning levels. Some hydrological stations recorded the highest water levels since 2017 to 2018. Roads, bridges, and homes were destroyed. Many trails, parking lots, underground garages, and commercial areas were flooded, including in the heart of a city like Hong Kong, where many hospitals, schools, and offices were closed. At least 5 people were killed in Guangdong province by flash floods and landslides, and more than 1,300 rescue workers were mobilized to search and assist affected areas. At least 5 people were killed in Guangdong province by flash floods and landslides, and more than 1,300 rescue workers were mobilized to search and assist affected areas. Agricultural areas, especially in Beijing, Hebei, Inner Mongolia, and Guangdong, were submerged, causing severe damage to agricultural assets. China has allocated more than 1 billion yuan, about $139 million, in recovery support, including for harvesting crops, land reclamation, and repairing agricultural infrastructure. According to official data, direct losses from natural disasters, mainly from floods, amounted to about 54.11 billion yuan, $7.55 billion, in the first half of 2025. Of these, floods accounted for more than 90% of the total losses, or about 51 billion yuan, approximately $7.12 billion. This figure is nearly 42% lower than the same period in 2024, when total losses reached 93.16 billion yuan, approximately $12.9 billion.
妈哟！天哪！妈哟！那海呀
！Foundations.
隨便開一台翻去得唔得嘅？送咗佢先啦嚇，我攞到送咗邊個？
Typhoon Doksuri, which struck in early August 2025, was one of the main causes of severe flooding in the Beijing, Hebei, Liaoning, and other areas, with about 202.3 billion yuan, $28.3 billion, in property damage, making it the costliest storm in Chinese history.
CCTV chỉ trong vài ngày.
想想，我的个天呀！哎呦妈哟，超多少车呀！我的天呀！一车油人就完了。那个。我们下车吧，下车。你看那个车上还有人呢，你看看。
The flood displaced more than 850,000 people, submerged tens of thousands of homes, and temporarily paralyzed power and transportation infrastructure. Every scene you just witnessed is not only a reminder of how fragile we are in the face of nature, but also a warning bell. If you found this video thought-provoking, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the most shocking and raw footage nature has to offer. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.